After hours of waiting for Adis Medunjanin to appear before a Brooklyn federal court judge, his arraignment was brief as he answered to the charges of conspiracy to commit murder in a foreign country and receiving terror training from Al-Qaeda.
We entered an emphatic not guilty.
While he's denying the charges in the indictment, prosecutors stated that the 25-year-old did knowingly and intentionally conspire to commit one or more acts outside the United States that would constitute the offenses of murder and maiming if committed in the jurisdiction of the United States. The charges are based on a trip Medunjanin made to Pakistan in 2008, but he was arrested Thursday as part of an investigation into Najibullah Zazi, the terror suspect accused of plotting to detonate homemade bombs in the New York City subway system. Since his arrest, Medunjanin's attorney has accused the FBI of questioning his client without legal counsel.
We will file motions to suppress those statements.
Medunjanin was under FBI surveillance for months, but he was arrested after he reportedly called 911 ranting in Arabic, "We love death more than you love life," before crashing his car into another vehicle while the FBI was following him on the Whitestone Expressway.